Hey there, it's Amelia. In this video, we'll take a look at common functions in Microsoft Excel, including sum, average, count, max, and min. Functions are used for a wide range of both common and complex calculations. For example, let's say we want to calculate the total in this quantity column. The first thing we'll want to do is click in the destination cell of where we want the sum. So we want to click in E12. Now in the ribbon in the Home tab, the Auto Sum has its own icon up here. So if I go ahead and click on Auto Sum, Excel does its best to guess using the nearest adjacent cells, and most of the time it's correct. But if it's not correct, you can go ahead and use your mouse and adjust. So for instance, if it was a different range, then select it, you can just press and drag. So in this case, it was correct. I'm going to go back to the original selection. And then all I have to do at this point is either press enter or click on the check mark up here. And that's it. And my total is completed. Next, let's take a look at some other common functions. So again, in the ribbon in the Home tab, instead of clicking Auto Sum, this time I'm going to click on the drop down arrow here. And as you can see, common functions are listed, including sum, average, which would calculate the average value in a range of cells, count, which will count all values and labels in a range of cells, max, which will indicate the highest value found in a range of cells, and min, which will indicate the lowest value found in a range of cells. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a different cell. So in this case, let's say we want to get the average price. So I'm going to go ahead and click in the cell where I want to see the average here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and click on the drop down and select average. And it makes an educated guess as to what range of cells you want to use for this formula, and this is correct. So all I have to do here is either press enter or click on the check mark. And there's my average price. Now notice it automatically used the default general number format. And in this case, actually I want to change the whole column to 2 decimal places and currency format. So the easiest thing to do here would be click D to select the whole column, and then just go up to the ribbon in the number group and click. I'm going to select US currency. There's also other choices for currency here, so I can just click on the $ and then it automatically changes the format for the entire column. If you're interested in learning more about functions, I have a separate video on advanced functions, and if you're interested in learning more about formatting, I have a separate video on formatting. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.